students, let's start with most awaited unit 1 of your term 2. In that lesson, I'm going to tell you a story about the main character of our story, Tom. Okay, the unit name is Writing About Writing. Isn't it a funny name? It's about लिखने के बारे में लिखना, like that in Hindi. It sounds really funny, but it's a good story about Tom Sawyer. It is written in 1876, a novel actually this is, and written by Mark Twain, the novelist, famous novelist you can say that. He has wrote here about a young boy growing up along the Mississippi River, and the story is set in the 1840s in the town of Petersburg, which is based on Hannibal, Missouri, where Twain lived as a boy. Means this story is about the writer's place. Twain lived in this area and he has written this story about Tom Sawyer. So now let's find out more about his adventure, what he has written in this story. The story here starts with a simple task, that is a fence painting of his house. Okay, let me read it for you line by line for better understanding. Unit 1, Writing About Writing. Activity 1. Today I am going to explain you only the activity 1. Keep reading the second, third activity so I could explain it to you in my further videos. Strong desire, wise action. This is the line which is really very inspirational. When you have strong desire about something, your actions surely becomes more loud, or can be said as more voice. From the Adventure of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain, Part 1. There are chapters in this novel, and among it, this is from the Part 1. Saturday morning came. All the summer world was bright and fresh and full of life. Tom appeared in front of the house with paint and a big brush. Now you can see that the main character of our story, Tom, is seen in that bright morning of that day, Saturday. The day is Saturday, and he is seen with the big brush and the paint bucket. You can understand with the picture which is depicted over here that the boy is going to paint something. What it is? He looked at the fence and all joy appeared in front of the house all joy left him. Means he appeared in front of that fence and all joy left him means he was very much happy. A deep sadness. Earlier he was very much happy, but all joy left him means at that time when he was looking at the fence, that was a sad moment for him. A deep sadness settled upon his heart. What is the reason? The fence was long and high. The reason is because the fence was very much long and high. He wet the brush and moved it along the top board. Means you can imagine if you are shorter, not due to your height, but according to your age, you are a short boy and you want to paint that fence. Fence means the compound wall which is having that wooden sticks. Okay, that sticks he wants to paint over here. I have shown that picture to you in my first page that you could observe clearly. He did it again. Now what he was doing, he was just trying to brush it at the top board, means the upper area of that fence. He did it again and did it again. He was trying to do it again and again. He looked at what he had done. The painted was very, very small. Means wherever his brush couldn't reach easily. Uska brush jahan pe easily nahi ja pa raha tha. Was that painting good? No, but of course. क्योंकि जितना हाथ वो बड़ी मुश्किल से पहुंचा रहा था, that was very, very small. Means patchy can be said as कहीं पे कलर लग रहा है, कहीं पे नहीं लग रहा है. That kind of painted area was seen on the fence. The whole fence was very large. और पूरी फेंस को आप देखोगे तो बहुत ही बड़ी थी और हाइट की वजह से, उसके छोटे होने की वजह से वो पूरा नहीं कर पा रहा था. He sat down. he felt that he could not continue and he sat down, and now he is feeling that now he could not continue it further. Now he was thinking about what to do and what I have to do for the same, because he is very much eager to do that work, and his strong desire here is calling for a voice action. What is it? Let's see further. Jim, a boy who worked for the family, came through the gate. Now a boy, name of the boy Jim, he came in front of him, okay, through the gate. He was going to get water and he was singing happily. The boy was singing happily. His work is to help to the family. And Tom said to him, now, Jim, I will get the water if you will paint. He is just offering him a help. I will get the water for you. You are going to bring the water. I will do that for you, but you will have to paint this for me. Jim said, no, I must get the water. Means I will not do the painting, but I will get the water. Means I will do my own work. Sometime होता है ना, आप किसी फ्रेंड को बोलते हैं कि तू मेरा ये काम कर दे, मैं ये कर दूंगा. You offer it from your side only. You just give me your SST notebook. If yours is incomplete, then you will ask him to give me your another notebook that may be of maths or any other subject. That way, the boy Tom here is asking for a favor to Jim, that he has to do the painting and Tom will do the work of the Jim, that is bringing water. But what now the Tom is saying? Are you afraid? The Jim is saying that. Are you afraid of Aunt Polly? Tom said that. She won't hurt you. She talks about it, but talk never hurts. What he is saying now? Why you are not painting that fence? Are you fear? Means are you afraid of Aunt Polly? Who is the Aunt Polly? Aunt Polly is one more character in the story. Okay, he is asking why you are not ready to help me. If Aunt Polly is talking harsh words, okay, or she talks about it, but talk never hurts. मतलब कोई बुरा भी कहता है, जोर जोर से डांटता है, चिल्लाता है, तो it is not going to hurt you. Then why you are not ready to do my work? It never hurts except when she weeps. जब तक वो रोती नहीं है, that is not going to hurt us. Also, you should, what you have to do, not be afraid of her. So, you should not afraid of her. Jim, I will give you one of my playthings and I will show you my food. Now see one more thing he is adding to his offer. First he said I will bring water for you. अब वो ऐसे कहने लगता है कि मैं तुम्हारी को मेरी जो कोई भी खेलने की चीज़ है, which may be favorite of mine, can be my bat, can be my ball, can be my crayons, can be many things which are lying with me is favorite, can be favorite of yours. I will share it with you. One of my means anything, and I will show you my food. मैं इस तरह से मेरा फूड भी दिखाऊंगा. I shall show you where I heard it. मतलब मुझे अभी जहाँ पे लगा है, हमें ऐसा सवाल होगा अभी कि why you want to show the food. He is not talking anything negatively about the food, but he wants to share something that I have got hurted on my food, and that is why I am going to share it with you. I will show it to you where I got hurt. Jim was only human. Jim was human, but obvious. अगर आपका कोई फ्रेंड आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑफर कर रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा पैम्पर कर रहा है, मैं तेरे लिए ये करूँगा, कल तेरा फेवरेट नाश्ता बनवा के लाऊंगा, आप बोलते हो ना, तो दैट वे ही इज एक्सप्लेनिंग टू हिम. इन दैट वे ही वॉज पैम्परिंग अ लॉट टू द Jim. Who is pampering? Our team. Tom, sorry. He took the playthings and he put his head down to look at the food. Now, he took the plaything, whatever is there in his hand, he took it, the Jim, and he put his head down to look at the foot. In another moment, he was running down the street. और second, दूसरे ही moment, जैसे ये देखना हुआ plaything ले ली, next moment में वो दौड़ना भी शुरू कर देता है. Tom was painting as fast as possible and Aunt Polly was returning to the house. अब का सीन क्या था कि Tom was painting the wall as fast as possible and Aunt Polly was returning to the house. This is the activity 1. part 1 about your story. I will continue in my next video. Activity 2 of strong desire, wise action, part 2 in next video. Dear children, read the activity 2 surely and let me know your understanding in your likes and subscriptions.